How to use Poly.AI app. Welcome guys, today I will show you how to use Poly.AI app. Just watch this video till the end. Open Poly.AI, and after this it will open here. So you will choose your age. Click, for example, if you are above this, and your gender. Click enter. Now, how to make pictures? I will click here on add icon, and you have to create account right now. So you have to add your email address or continue with Google. So I continue with Google and I use my email address. Right now I will choose my name and also my bio. It's optional. Click get started, and here your category or your character type. If you want to create, I will click here. I want to click angry partner, so I will wait. I will choose the name and the avatar and the gender. My name, for example, Noah. Intro. I will adjust random things. So here the name, avatar, AI generated. I will click. So it's male. I will choose the image, this one. Click generate, and I will wait. I will choose this one, for example, and click pick. So click save. And right now it took me back to this list. I will choose the name, gender, intro, for example, football player. This is optional. And the voice, mature man, the reason for anger. And now just I will write something. And when I finish everything here, click save, background, and when I finish I will click create a chat. Now I'm back to show you the other things that there is in this app. Here on your profile you can find the settings here. Everything: language, promote, voice, automatic, push notification, promo code, account. And if you wanna log out, click here. And here your home, here your chats, and here explore. And that's it. As you see, the application is very useful. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and bye.